Fastest way to get Microsoft Reward points. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the first thing what we want to do is go ahead and use Bing for all searches. So earn up to 150 points per day on PC and up to 100 points per day on mobile. So just use bing.com while logged into your Microsoft account. Now, a little bonus tip, set Bing as your browser's default search engine for auto points as well. Now, also, we want to go in and complete daily set, so 3 quick tasks. So we need to go to our rewards dashboard. You'll see the daily quiz, poll or this or that, which is 10 points. The daily quiz is 30 points. Search bonus or streak bonus is 5 to 150 points. So it takes less than 2 minutes. Do this every day to build a streak bonus, which is up to 150 points per day. Now, play Xbox or PC Game Pass quest. So if you have Game Pass, open the rewards app on Xbox or the Game Pass mobile app. Do simple quests like play a Game Pass game or earn an achievement. And now this is worth up to 1,000 plus points per week. Also, we want to go ahead and shop in the Microsoft Store. So now, while you're shopping in the store, you can earn 1 point per dollar spent on games, apps, or devices. Special promotions can give 5 times or 10 times points on selected items. Now, if you don't have the Microsoft Reward app on mobile, you want to go ahead and download it from the Play Store or App Store. It gives extra quizzes and offers that don't appear on desktop. So this is quick and high yield points. Now, basically what you want to do, just keep your streaks alive. So missing a day resets your multiplier, so you don't want to miss a day. And now weekly punch cards can give 500 to 2,000 points for completing small goal sets. And also refer a friend to earn bonus points up to 6,000 per referral if available in your region. Now, for an example, fast routine. Now, this only takes 2 to 3 minutes per day. You want to go ahead and complete daily sets. This yields 50 to 100 points. Do Bing PC plus mobile searches, 250 points. And also check for punch cards or quizzes, 100 to 300 points. That's around 400 to 600 points per day, or 12,000 to 1,800 points per month. Enough for $10 to $15 in gift cards monthly.